Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and a crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. Start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 4. So now that I chained 4, on the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now I will chain 5 and this will be row 1. Now right there through that loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochets with 2 chains in between. So now I'll chain 2, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch and this completes row 1. Now for row 2, right here through this next 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. Through the next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. Through the next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. So we'll continue making 3 single crochet through every 2 chain loop throughout row 2. Now to finish row 2, right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. So chain 1, then through that first same single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 2, through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, through the next single crochet I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, through the next chain 1 single crochet. Chain 2, through the next chain 1 single crochet. Chain 2, through the next chain 1 single crochet. Chain 2, through the next chain 1 single crochet. Chain 2, through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 3. Now to finish row 3, right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. And now to finish row 3 I'll chain 2, then through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4, right here through this next 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch and then I'll chain 3. Now through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next 2 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next 2 chain loop 2 double crochet. Through the next 2 chain loop 2 double crochet. Through the next 2 chain loop 2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 2 double crochet through every 2 chain loop throughout row 4. Now to finish row 4, right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch and then I'll chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 5 I would use yarn in, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for row 5 right here through this first single crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain one, then through the same chain I'll make one single crochet. Now I'll chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Through this next chain I'll make one triple crochet. Through the next chain, one triple crochet. Chain 5. Through this next chain I'll make one single crochet. Again I'll chain 5. Through this next 2 chains I'll make one triple crochet through each chain. Chain 5. Through this next chain I'll make one single crochet. Chain 5. Through these next 2 chains I'll make one triple crochet through each chain. Chain 5. Through this next chain I'll make one single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 5. Now to finish row 5 I'll chain 5, then right here through this first single crochet chain I will make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 5. Now for row 6 I'll use yarn in color A. Then right here through this first 5 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. Through the same chain, through the same loop I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through this next triple crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet. Again I'll chain 4. Through this next triple crochet chain I'll make 1 triple crochet, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet, then I'll make 3 single crochet through the same 5 chain loop. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. Then through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through the next triple crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Then through the same triple crochet chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 4. Through this next triple crochet chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet. Then through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. Then through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through this next triple crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Then through the same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 4, then through that next triple crochet chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet. Then through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet. So we repeat this for the rest of our petals. Repeat this throughout row 6. Now to finish this last row, right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Then I'll chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. Let's measure this. So it measures 10 inches.